Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about for each. Let's say want to declare an array. So I will say let let's say numbers. And here I'm going to print some number. Sorry, I'm going to store some number. So I'm going to say here some element. Let's say and then let's say 40. Now I'm going to write here for loop. So I will say for, and after that I will actually explain what is for each. So for the for loop I have to say let let's say I is equal to 0. Why? Because index number start from 0, and now I will say I smaller than let's say I want to go from the 0 index to the last index. So I don't know how many index actually here. Let's say it can have multiple values, right? So I have to say here length so that I can actually find the exact length. So then increment, and here what I have to do, I have to say console.log. I'll say numbers, and then index number will be I. Here you can see all the value. Now let's talk about for each. So I will say numbers dot for each. So here you can see for each expecting a function. Okay, for each expecting a function that is called callback function. Okay, so I need a function. So I don't know the function, I will actually define it, right? So I can actually say function. Let's say I'll say my function. Okay, my function, my function, and I'm going to now declare the function. Okay, so function, I will say my function, and let's say I. Okay, and here I'll say console.log, then I will say I, and you can see it's showing all the value. Yeah, and we can actually do it in different way. And here you can see we can actually say here just function. Okay, let me just copy it. Okay, cut it from here. Let's say cut, and here I will go and paste it. So I don't need the name, I just have to say like this. Here you can see same. So this is called anonymous function. So this is what for each is. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.